we'll guide you through how to configure Vercel Edge settings. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel dashboard and log in with your account. Once you're in, navigate to the project you want to configure. Click on the project to open its settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Look for the Settings option and click on it. Under Settings, find and select Edge Network or Edge Functions depending on what you want to configure. Here, you can define custom routing rules for your Edge functions. You need to specify the path and the function to be executed. For example, you can route specific endpoints to different functions based on your application logic. This is where you set up your global Edge network configuration, which optimizes how your application is served to users around the world. If you want to enable caching at the edge, you can do this by setting cache headers in your responses. This will help improve performance by reducing latency. Additionally, if there's a need to restrict access to certain parts of your application, you can implement Edge middleware to handle authentication and authorization right at the edge. Make sure to save any changes before exiting. Once configured, your application will take advantage of the Edge network, providing a more efficient and faster experience for your users. If you encounter any issues, Vercel's documentation is a great resource for troubleshooting tips and further customization options. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.